Can crew members fall in love on a cruise ship? Can you have a boyfriend or girlfriend while working on board? Or is it a completely forbidden? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tintin. If you're planning to work on a cruise ship, you probably asked this question at least once. Because imagine this, you're working for months, living with thousands of people from different countries, seeing the same faces every day, eating together, laughing together, and spending almost all your time on the same ship. So what really happens? Today, we're talking about relationship on board, the rules, the reality, and some important things every crew member should know before joining. Can you have relationship? First, yes, relationship on board can happen. Cruise lines generally don't ban people from having relationship. Crew members are adults and many people actually meet their partners while working on the ship. Some people even end up getting married after meeting on board. But here's where reality starts. Just because you can have a relationship doesn't mean it's always easy. You're not on vacation. You're there to work. Some positions work long hours depending on your role. You may work 10 to 12 hours a day, sometimes even more during busy schedules. Imagine this. You're exhausted after work. Your partner has a different schedule. You're free in the morning while they're working. They're free at night while you're still on duty. Sometimes you only get a few minutes together, and that's only the schedule problem. Now add stress, homesickness, pressure, lack of sleep, and different personalities. Remember, ships bring together people from all over the world, different countries, different cultures, different ways of thinking. So yes, relationship on board can become serious, but they can also become complicated. Don't forget your goal. Another thing crew members should remember, never let a relationship affect your work. Your job always comes first. If you're always distracted, late, losing focus, or making decisions based on emotion instead of responsibilities, it can affect not only your contract, but also your future. Some people join ships to build a better life, to support their parents, to provide for their children, to save money, and to build dreams. Then slowly, they forget why they came on board in the first place. Now, I want to talk about something deeper. What if you already have a wife, a husband, or a partner waiting for you at home? Because cruise ship life can test people in ways they never expected. You're away for months. Sometimes you miss birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, and even simple moments like eating together at one table. You get lonely. You get tired. Sometimes, after a long day, you simply want someone beside you. And because you're surrounded by people every day, talking, laughing, working together, feelings can slowly grow without you even noticing it. But this is where decision matter. Because while you're laughing with someone on board, there may be someone at home counting the days until you return. Someone checking their phone, waiting for your message. Someone staying strong because they believe you're both sacrificing for a better future. The truth is, many relationships and families struggle because long distance is hard. Distance is hard. Loneliness is hard. Temptation is hard. And sometimes wrong decision create wounds that last longer than contracts. When trust breaks, it's not only two people who get hurt. Sometimes children are affected, parents are affected, entire families feel the impact. Money can be earned again, contracts can end, and new jobs can come. But broken trust can take years to rebuild. Also remember this, not every ship relationship becomes a love story. Some become long-term relationship, some become friendship, some end after one contract. That's reality. So don't rush because of loneliness. Don't confuse temporary emotion with something real. Take your time, know the person, protect your peace, protect your future, and never forget why you started this journey. To everyone planning to work on ship, remember this. You didn't leave home just to lose the people who were praying for your success. You didn't sacrifice time with your family just to trade real love for temporary feelings. Stay disciplined even when nobody is watching. Character is tested when temptation is close and nobody would ever know. Build your future. Make your family proud. Protect the people waiting for you at home. Because one day, after all the contracts, after all the overtime, after all the money and promotion, the people waiting at home may still be the most valuable thing you ever had. If you enjoyed this video and want more cruise ship tips and real crew life content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.